Have you ever wondered how massive structures like skyscrapers and heavy industrial buildings stand strong without sinking into the ground? The answer lies in the foundation system. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most powerful foundation types called raft or mat foundation and understand how it differs from other footings used in construction. A raft foundation, also known as a mat foundation, is a thick, continuous slab of reinforced concrete that spreads across the entire area of a building's footprint. Unlike isolated or strip footings, which support individual columns or walls, a raft foundation acts as a single unit, distributing the entire building load evenly across the soil. When a building is constructed on soft or weak soil, individual footings might sink unevenly, leading to structural damage. A raft foundation spreads the load over a large area, reducing the pressure exerted on the soil. This prevents differential settlement and enhances structural stability. Now, take a look on screen. Comparison between raft foundation and individual footings. Raft foundations are ideal when 1. The soil has low bearing capacity and cannot support isolated footings. 2. The building structure is heavy, such as high-rise buildings, bridges, or industrial plants. 3. There's a risk of differential settlement, especially on expansive soils like clay. 4. The foundation needs to resist uplift forces, like in underground structures or basements. Depending on the structural requirements and soil conditions, different types of raft foundations are used. The most common ones are 1. Conventional raft, a simple, uniform slab used for small to medium buildings. 2. Rigid raft, thickened undercolumns for additional strength. 3. Waffle raft, a grid-like structure with beams, ideal for reducing concrete usage. 4. Piled raft, combines piles and a raft for high-rise buildings on weak soil. So, to sum up, raft foundations are a powerful solution for constructing on weak soil, preventing settlement issues, and ensuring long-term stability. They might be costlier initially, but they save money in the long run by reducing foundation failures. If you think you like this video, smash the like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more construction insights on Concrete Vision.